Hello everyone. I am here today to make an ATC for the 65th Grumbacher swap. I've been playing along with this for a few months now, probably most of this year. And this is the 65th swap that they've held. What you do every month is make an ATC based on their theme. This time's theme is movie monsters, and then you send it and you get another artist's ATC card based on that theme back in the mail. And it's really a fun thing to do, and it's always an enjoyable surprise in your mailbox. And so I am playing along again. Like I said, this time's theme is movie monsters. It has to be an ATC, which is 2.5 by 3.5. And you have to do a few other things, send it by a specific date, send return postage, that kind of thing. But I will put a link to their Facebook page down in the description box. The swap will be over by the time you see this video, but they always have a new one coming up. So please think about playing along. It's a lot of fun. Anyways, we're going to get busy and make this ATC. Oh, I forgot to say, if you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Clicking that bell notification so you know when I get a new video up. And now we'll get busy and make this ATC. Alrighty. Since we're going to make a mummy, we need some bandages to wrap the mummy in. And while this isn't exactly the fabric I wanted, it will work. It just doesn't tear as nicely as I had hoped. So we have to make bandages. I want it torn, I want it frayed. Okay, that should be enough. We'll hope. And then ATCs are 2.5 by 3.5. And I want a piece that is how about that? That one's 3.5. I want a piece that is got a border around it. So the back piece will be 2.5 by 3.5. And then the front piece, let's see if this is wide enough. Yep. It's going to be 2.25 by 3.25. Therefore it will have a little bit of a edge around it. ATCs are fun because you can a lot of times make them from your scrap bin. Alrighty, everyone. Needless to say, that was a little messy, but it worked out real well. I'm pleased with how it came out. The theme being movie monsters. This is The Mummy, but not the newer movie. There's an old black and white movie called The Mummy, and this is what my remembrance of that movie is. So I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on and figure out what my next chore is. I like to think of psychic energy as akin to radio waves. Even without the radio on, the air is filled with invisible signals from countless radio stations operating on their various frequencies. All you have to do to receive them is to flick the radio on and tune the dial. John Edward. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.